Today, I'll make an erupting volcano. Materials are 100 ml of water, 50 ml of vinegar, 25 ml of dishwashing liquid, 10 grams of baking soda, tissue, red and yellow food coloring, clay, stirring rod, and a plastic tray. Let's get started. First, assemble the base of the volcano.
Using an empty glass, cover it with bubble wrap and brown paper bag.
Then put some clay.
You may use a combination of green, brown, and yellow-green to make the volcano more realistic.
You may put decorations like dinosaurs and trees. Wrap the baking soda in a tissue paper. Then drop it into the volcano. In a container, mix water, vinegar, dishwashing liquid, and add a few drops of food coloring. Stir. This will be the volcano's lava. Ready for an eruption? Pour the mixture into the mouth of the volcano.
That's so cool! Observe the flow of lava. Here's the top shot. What a blast!